Oh wow, he's running out of runway here. He's got about another 500 yards before he reaches the end of this runway here. So he's got the reverse thrusters on. He is bringing it to a quick slow stop here though, towards the end. That was an incredible job by those pilots. Incredible.
Shooting. Det løgn det her, det ser vi ikke.
Det ser vi ikke, det her.
Det ser vi bare slet ikke, Torben, det her.
Jeg kan måske gå ind i. Jeg kan ikke lade nogen. Hvad? Nej, ikke nogen.
Jeg må lige få mine billeder, der tog sig.
Right down the center line. This is picture perfect.
Wow,
picture
really
perfect.
is.
That is beautiful.
Beautiful, beautiful job.
Remarkable.
Beautiful job. You
Wow,
know,
that's
some,
incredible
you know what?
piloting.
That's some hull damage. I bet those engines are not adversely impacted.
Because the props were already
because did you
stopped,
notice
right?
how he feathered those props? Those props
Yeah.
stopped. And
Wow.
if they had been spinning, it would have spun those PT6 engines, which are turboprop engines, right off their mounts, and that would have been a big problem.
I am exhaling for
that.
them. I mean, my heart was just pitter-patter, as I know everybody else's was, too.
I got to tell you, that should go on the training tapes. And off he goes. Okay, 1, 2.
Wow,
so
that
he had
fast.
some help there, and that's all they had aboard was the two of them. And welcome to Fulton County Airport, gentlemen.
Either that or everybody else on board is just catching their breath.
Oh, I suspect their instructions
And
would have been
that's
to
it.
move
It looks
quickly.
like that's it. Wow.
Time to get off the airplane.
Oh, no, here comes somebody else.
Here we
There are
go.
more
Ooh.
people. Here they come.
Das ging beinahe in die Hose.
Also ich glaube, dass Sie das gleich einstellen hier.
Sekunden des Schreckens für SPD-Chef Franz Müntefering. Bei der Landung auf dem Flughafen in Stuttgart kommt es zu Komplikationen. Dieses Video zeigt die dramatischen Minuten. Als die Maschine des Typs Fokker 100 am Boden aufsetzt, sprühen Funken. Das Flugzeug zieht Flammen hinter sich her, bis es zum Stillstand kommt. Sofort rückt die Feuerwehr an, legt einen Schaumteppich. Müntefering, der zu einer Wahlkampfkundgebung nach Stuttgart